When your air conditioning system breaks down during the hot Pennsylvania summer, Home HVAC Services Group is the trusted choice for professional AC repair in Phoenixville, PA. Our experienced technicians provide fast, reliable, and affordable air conditioning repair services for homeowners and businesses throughout the area. Call our AC repair if you have any questions. Are you looking for an AC repair near me? You can stop looking. You found Home HVAC Services Group. What is the most common AC repair? A faulty capacitor is one of the most common causes of air conditioning repairs. Capacitors are small electrical components that store and deliver the energy needed to start your AC system and keep its motors operating efficiently. When a capacitor fails, the air conditioner may struggle to turn on, run inconsistently, or stop working altogether, making replacement necessary to restore proper performance. Can regular maintenance reduce the need for AC repairs? Absolutely. Routine air conditioning maintenance helps identify minor issues before they become major problems, improves energy efficiency, extends equipment life, and reduces the likelihood of unexpected breakdowns. What is your service area for the Phoenixville, Pennsylvania service office? Our AC repair has served Phoenixville, Montclair, Wayhill, Bertrandville, Kimberton, Oaks, Arcola, Royersford, Valley Forge, Wilbourn Acres, Spring City, Chesterbrook, Parker Ford, Abbey Downs, Audubon, Pennsylvania. Where is your Phoenixville, Pennsylvania office located? We are located at 710 Wheatland Street, Phoenixville, Pennsylvania 19460. Our phone number is 610-601-6106. Visit our website, www.homehvacservicesgroup.com/locations/Phoenixville-PA.